Alright guys, let's get Danny. Finally, I get Infiltrator and Infiltrator. Yeah. Now I can do dodging, hacking. Yeah. Sorry. That was very close. Lol. That's not fair. Easy, little guy. Come on. Wahaha. Oh my fucking god. Now I'm angry. Whoa.
Foxtrot.
Ratchet here. Angela, is that your name?
Ratchet was calling you something quite different.
Oh, was he now? Anyway, I'm just calling to warn you that Thugs for Less have taken over my flying lab.
But were the thugs not working for you?
Not anymore. Apparently, someone's made them a better offer. I tell you, between the Thugs and the Protopet, this whole galaxy's heading for...
Wait, say again? Protopet?
Oh, yeah, it's what they're calling the experiment now. Here, watch this. Oh, my God, no.
Why is Billy sad? Is he cold, hungry, or maybe just
Oh, no, take it away.
lonely? Introducing the Megacore Protopet. Your child will shriek with joy when he meets our adorable friend. Wanna play ball? So does the Protopet. Need a partner for tag? Go find the Protopet. Up for some cops and robbers?
Help! Please!
So is you-know-who. Just ask Billy. The Megacore Protopet. Stop by Planet Golden and get yours free from Abercrombie Fitzwidget himself.
You mean that thing is going to be a pet?
Megacorp intends to market a killer that is simply unconscionable.
Which is exactly what I've been trying to tell you. There will be disastrous consequences for the entire galaxy if that monster is distributed.
We must get through to Mr. Fizzwidget.
If you still think he'll listen, you should try to catch him on the planet Golden. I'll upload the coordinates.
This could be our last chance.
Silver City Planet Golden. Accurate. This quicker way. Oh crap. Yeah. Game, please, don't freeze. Last time I tried complete the game with new,
Listen up, Thugs for Less. We got a
then
big job
came
ahead,
freeze
so pay
and I
attention.
must start again.
Megacorp has hired us to protect their CEO, Mr. Fizzwidget. They feel that he's getting a little, cuckoo in his old age and are concerned for his safety. The Fizzwidget's kind of old-fashioned, so I want everything handled with the
4 minutes left.
pride and courtesy people have come to expect from us. Also, be on the lookout for these two characters. I have a personal interest in seeing them rubbed out, so I'm offering a free pizza party to the squad who bags them. And remember, that includes drinks and desserts. Over and out.
Don't freeze, 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 don't freeze. Sorry. Please, 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 please. This is the truth of moments. Yeah, it doesn't freeze. Yay. In this planet, it's easily get bolts. Alright guys, my battery is almost off, so don't be shy if this stops quick. Yeah, but when this video off, see you next time, okay?